What's up, guys? Welcome back to day number 4 of the Panini Chronicles. Episode 4, guys. So the Apprentice, JJ seen it. It doesn't look so. The corners don't look. It's bad, but
no, it's not. It's okay.
It's not bad. And it came out of blasters, but
probably get a PSA 10. So
yeah, if the edges are good.
Everything is good. It's just the corner.
So yeah, the little corner.
Came out of blasters.
Oh, it's crazy. Okay, but let's see if we can pull some more heat, guys. I got the blasters this time. JJ got the cellos. We're gonna keep this here from last time, so it'll be easier for all of us. Oh, Strasburg got hurt, guys. Oh, Luka Doncic already, the first pack. Playbook Luka. Jay, here, where should I put this one? Here, do you want me to just put this here and then we'll do it later?
Yeah, playbooks.
Oh, what are you doing?
Playbooks right there.
Rui, Luminance. Jay, I'm putting Luminance right here, okay? Keldon Johnson, RJ Barrett, Recon. Oh, I thought this was numbered, dude.
Check the back.
RJ Barrett's 2. Marquee.
Yeah, just give me those premium. Remember, give me premiums. Or you want this? This is.
Hey, why don't you just add it while we're doing it?
No,
it's like $5.
Since it's a new pal. Here, no, here. Give me the root. Put the premiums in here. Ones that we're gonna add at the end.
Yeah, what we're gonna add, okay? Oh,
yeah. Put it right there.
Playbook, baby, playbook. Oh, threads.
Oh, threads.
Here. This is Zion lot. I'm telling you.
The corners.
Cause I told you they're hard, dude. We gotta start cutting it. Don't pull it, Jay. Okay?
Yeah.
Rookies and stars, Matisse.
No, it's fine.
No, don't do it, dude. I'm not risking it.
Do you have scissors in?
Threads, and then Nazir Little. Essentials.
No scissors.
Huh? It's on the table. Here. Got it or no? Hold up, guys.
Dang, good hit. Is that Hoskins? Oh, JT, real moto. Real moto. Pop, man.
You guys, we're changing it because I think I honestly. Oh, this is a fatter pack. I think. Yeah, that's a fat pack, dude.
Right here, use this one.
Yeah, this one sucks. This scissor sucks.
Use this one.
Yeah. You guys, come on. I don't care if you guys are laughing at it. These are paper cards, man. Nikhil, Kobe, numbered. It's got to be numbered, pink. Jay, do you want this Kobe or no?
Yeah, put it
here. Rookies and stars, Kawhi. Do you want this thing or no?
What?
Kobe.
Sure.
Ooh, Brandon Clark marquee.
Yeah, Kobe.
It's on there already. Be careful when you cut this, alright, dude? This will cut through the thing. Cameron Johnson. Oh, dude, this is Cam Johnson lot. Luminance here.
Put it there, bro.
Cam Reddish. Panini. Tyler Hero. And Terrence Davis Essentials. Non-numbers for these ones. Kobe, this might be a Kobe lot right here. Oh, Rui. Nicola Melli, the first time we got Melli. Yeah, the first time.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Thank you.
Oh,
There you
right
go.
there. Ja.
Okay, this might be the good one. Oh, come on, Zion Williamson, baby. Is that Zion or Giannis?
Giannis.
Okay, I think we got an auto, dude.
Oh. No, auto's in the next one, I think. Go slow, do it slowly. Oh, Raptors. Terrence Davis again. Oh, shoot. Give me that right away. Left, horrible centered.
Okay, what's that? Oh, yes, and you got John Morant.
That's a $50 right there. $50.
Oh, man. Kendrick Nunn Recon, guys. Awesome. Awesome pack right there. Dude, Terrence Davis, and we're looking for ED.
Well, this is $50 anyway, so I'll take it.
Yeah, we'll take it any day.
And, blaster,
And Terrence Davis just needs to show up one time.
doubled your blaster money.
Terrence Davis just needs to show up one time. I got one more pack down there. Cam Reddish. Keldon Johnson. Rookies and Stars. Oh.
Are you sure they're in it?
Yeah, Giannis, yep.
Put Giannis in the thing.
Oh, here? Okay, this is, look how fatter that is. That might be, this could be Davis.
Or an auto. The auto has a fat side. A fatter side. I think you got an auto. Yeah, you got an auto. Wait, go slow.
No, it's not, Jay. Luminance, who's this?
Jordan. Poole? No.
Oh, this is Kawhi Leonard. Crusaders.
Oh, yes.
That might not be bad.
Put it
Mellow.
there.
Okay, here.
No, put it there.
Oh, damn.
I didn't look
You
like
thought that LeBron? Okay, guys, not bad. Eric Pascal.
I didn't look like LeBron.
Max Stars. Okay, here, let me search up that Crusade. Not bad, not bad.
I'm gonna open the.
When I found out the fat packs are amazing, but you know what? Let's start with fat packs.
$15. $15 got buy.
Dang, that's
$75
awesome.
right there. No, 65. Did you cut that, Jay, or just open it?
You open it like that. Sorry.
Don't do that.
Okay. Wait, what the heck? Move my phone.
Here, give me your phone. Put it down there.
Oh, that's fine. PJ. Those are threads. Ben.
Kevin Porter.
Alright, Kevin Porter. Prestige.
Why Chronicle? We need the Zion in that.
Kendrick Nunn. Prestige. Dame. Ja!
Oh,
Wow!
There you go. We got it back.
Wow.
You got Jay.
I'll just keep it
Remember,
right there.
there's numbered ones, dude. Okay.
Trey Young. P. Another Terrence Davis. Jared Culver. Kobe.
Okay, there you
Yes. Cam. Prestige. Oh, I got a Flux.
What?
I got a Flux.
What does that mean?
The one like
Oh yeah.
Brandon Clark.
Is that numbered, Jay? That might be numbered. No, that's a. That I love the Flux card.
Kobe.
Dude, if we get Zion, that I can't wait for that, dude.
There's Garland.
Is that it?
Yeah, I put the Kobe. I put Kobe's on different lots. Those are gonna be mine. Wow, that was awesome, guys. $5. That was amazing.
What's $5? Yeah, $5 for that.
You want to put Tyler Hero on that? Terrence Davis too? It's awesome. Alright.
Man, that was a good fat pack.
Last pack for the episode.
Come on, baby.
This is
That's a fat. That's. Wait, Jay, what does that say?
episode
What does it say?
4.
Here, can you show them the back?
Yeah,
We
hanger
didn't-
box exclusive
No, we
green
didn't show them
parallel.
the, what does it say? Can you get airborne in there? I don't think you get airborne in there.
No, let me see. I need autos. Yeah, so you got hometown rookie auto, hometown heroes, apprentice,
Okay, signature's red.
airborne. You could get airborne here.
Oh, so you can't get numbered then?
Flux auto. Yes, you can, dude. You can.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Wait, numbers. Ready rookie, hometown heroes, optic. I don't know. I think you can't get numbered. Only red autos.
Mm-hmm.
So no numbered autos, I believe. Red. Oh yeah, no base
It's
classics.
on top, I think, right?
No, numbered from 149 to 1 for base classics. That's the only thing you can get for numbered.
Base classics.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm itchy. What up, guys? Jeez. All right.
Start this.
Chef Curry Prestige. Bam. Jackson Hayes. Kobe White. I'm gonna keep that one. Brandon Ingram. Andre Drummond. RJ Barrett. This is Chris Middleton. Threads. Anthony Davis.
Oh, wrong
You want
one.
Davis in here or no?
No, I didn't have to.
Jackson Hayes. Giannis. Kendrick Nunn. Oh, what the heck? Kendrick Nunn. Eric
that?
Pascal. Kevin Porter. Dieball.
Oh!
Sekou.
The Zion's the dunking one, I can't tell. Who's that? Cody Martin? No. Who's that, Jay?
Classics Hero. Classics James Harden. Azir Little. Goga.
Chris Middleton. Bobo.
Bobo. Luca. Green. I'll keep that there. Bobo again. Pascal.
Hometown Heroes.
Goga Badatsi. Garland.
Not much in this fan pack.
Jared Culver. And Zion.
That saved us.
Where's
That saved us.
That's awesome. Nice. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. Hit the bell button for more notification for our next video for episode 5. Guys, this is awesome. We're gonna calculate whatever we get to determine if we're gonna open for another episode 5. See you guys later. Peace.